Whoa.
That's so cool. I must have more vinegar.
You should mix it with the paint.
Yeah.
There's a stick, that's it. Look at that lava.
Love, 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 love.
More
love.
vinegar and more bicarb. Where is it?
My cup is full. Must get
Whoa. This volcano is going to explode. That's fine, just pour it in. That's it. Oh, look at that. Whoa.
Okay.
That's a proper explosion. I'm glad I'm covering this with rocks. That's a mess. Okay, Daddy, I think we need more bicarb and more vinegar. Oh my god, that volcano erupted.
Best day of my life. Best day of
I
my
hope
life.
nobody was in its path. I know there's a bee that lives down there. The bee's not going to be happy about all that vinegar.
Yes! I need to get eaten.